Hi friends, this video shows how to find how many platforms or apps a selected movie or show is available. Let me go to home screen, then select one movie or show. So let me select this movie, then press and hold OK button or select button on the remote, press and hold, go down, select view details. Then here you can see 3 ways to watch. Select it. See, this movie is available in Netflix, Google TV, and again Google TV. See, these are the 3 options. So this way we can find how many platforms or apps a selected movie or show is available. Okay, you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.